Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, yesterday, if Dow Jones closed at 41 points negative, Nasdaq closed at 129 points negative, and S&P 500 closed at 10 points negative. At the time of recording, the US 30 is trading very flat. Now, let's talk about FII and DI data. Yesterday, FII sold close to 1400 crores. On the other hand, DII, they bought close to 1700 crores. Now, I was, reading the FII and DII data of December. Alone in December, the FII, the foreign institutions, they have sold close to 2100 crores, right? 21,000 crores they have sold. On the other hand, look at domestic institutions. They bought doubled, close to 41,000 crores. The numbers are unimaginable. And on December series, we are just hardly for 15 days, right? Half of this month, and FII have already sold close to 21,000 crores, right? So this shows that FII are not yet still bullish on India, and the main reason are the two reasons. Number one reason is, look at the rupee. Yesterday only the rupee hit all-time low. It literally hit all-time low. Second, US and India trade deal. There's no proper outcome between US-India trade deal. On the other hand, rupee is getting lower and lower, right? So these are the main two reasons. I don't think so valuation is longer a concern, right? Valuation are reasonable. Our stock market will outperform, but still yet FII see no interest in our country. Looking at the data, right? Now, SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of close to 60 points. Asian markets are trading very negative because ahead of US job data and yen are appreciating. Yen are gaining. The currency yen is gaining. Now, as I talked about, our Indian rupee has hit all-time low again, and it was around close to 91 rupees. Earlier it was 90.7. Now it is above 91, right? So this is the main reason why FII are continuously and relentlessly selling. Now let's talk about Nifty. Yesterday I gave you a trade in Nifty futures. It opened close to 113 points gap down, but from there it recovered. I clearly told you buy those dips, and from there Nifty closed around 36 points negative. So we captured 100 points. So I hope you would have made money with me. Now closing is 26,108. Now the support is 26,000, resistance is 26,200. Bank Nifty closing around 59,678, support is 59,500, and resistance is 60,000. Now yesterday, the more or less all the sectors were mixed except auto. Auto was heavily falling, mainly because the Mexico has imposed 50% tariff on India on automobile. So that is the main reason why still the auto sector was falling, but still I believe auto sectors will do good in long term. My first will be Eicher Motors, then M&M, Maruti Suzuki. All these stocks can do wonderful in long term. So if you have those stocks in your portfolio, don't feel like selling. If you're holding it for long term, hold it. They will do very good. Like I said, the rupee is falling, the FII are selling, but still our market is holding close to 26,000 levels. What is my point of view? Now, currently I don't have any position. Yesterday I took an intraday bet and I exited. The way rupee is falling, the way FII are selling, right? Market is struggling to hold or to break even close to 26,200. Now market has been consolidating very tightly between 25,800 and 26,200. Once this range will be broken either in downside or upside, we can see huge momentum. But chances of breaking upside is very limited. Chances of breaking downside is, for me, it looks possible. Because the way rupee is depreciating, we don't see any outcome between US and India. Only words are coming out, but not any results, right? And the way FII are selling, this is telling me that 25,800 we can break 25,800, right? So yes, I am being cautious at higher levels. It's a wait and watch market for me. Personally, I will not take positions index level, but stock specific, I really like IOC, Indian Oil Corporation, and Eternal. So these stocks will do good. So IOC, the reason why, because look at the crude oil prices is falling. The valuation is very good in IOC, and technically also it has a strong support around 150, 155 levels. So I believe IOC will do good in long side. Same thing Eternal, it's a very technical bet. It has given us structure break, keep a stop loss of 280 and go long in Eternal. So I hope you would have liked this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.